How this is how we joy for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another handheld garment steamer for you guys. Before this I have 3 more videos about different type of garment steamer handheld, basically from Philips, from Xiaomi, from Filico, other companies. So this is number 4th in this case. I'm trying this on. So this is from one brand, is very popular in Latin America. This is called Atma. This is written is in Spanish, easy care, something is also in English. The water tank is very bigger in this 250 milliliter. In Philips 3000 series is 120 and Xiaomi is 125. I have here Xiaomi. So Xiaomi, this version you have 125 and the Philips 1000 series is only 85 milliliter. So it has a big water tank, so you can steam your clothes for long time. And it also has a brush to clean vapor, continue vertical. So vertical way you can use. Lovely looking machine and package here. Okay, lovely packaging. So without any further ado, I will take this off from middle here. Take this off from here. Let's see. The first I see brush here. While you're steaming your clothes or ironing, you can use this brush to clean. Lovely strong brush. One side. Then here we have one manual. If you have time, you want to read, you can read this one. Lovely to have, always handy. And here is the steamer I take out, and inside nothing else. So lovely, best part of it, it can stand vertically. So I take this out. This is steamer. Here we go. Cable looks professional in this case. You see the cable with a layer nylon folded cable as a carbon. Okay, plug is good, Latin American plug in this case, guys. Lovely. Here's the machine. You can see here 250 milliliter, 20 minutes quick start. 20 minutes you can iron or steam your clothes. Here is one button to release this one. Here this is to press button. You can lock it down. If you put lock it down, it's still locked. Then you push up. You see how it is. Very beautiful. Here you have many holes and you have a part of metal. This one is become hot and you can iron very easily. If you have this one another material, they not become so much hot. Philips one is a plastic and other they have other element, but here is metal. I like this one how it look. Here you have one light. Atma is written. Vapor sign you can see here. You have a line design here. You see aluminum. I think it's a plastic with the color of aluminum. Light to travel, so it will be easy for traveling. At the bottom you can see information. Made in China, although everything product of Argentina, made in China. To stand, 4 holes here. Okay, if you want to take out here the cable. The size of the cable is as big as an authentic table iron, table steamer. Let me take this off from here. Here we go. Lovely, very good size. Is a long cable. Lovely, fine. So here we have some button, 2 sides. Here this one and here this side you have to press together. But I feel little bit uneasy to take out. Here we go. You have to be careful without breaking it. So it is a separate entity here. You feel water. In this is a big tank of water, maximum size, I can say that. Lovely design, all looks good. Here you can see how it is. Lovely quality of plastic. The Xiaomi one has better quality and then this one and the Philips as well. So this one price similar but not that high. So I'm gonna put water inside this and we'll try. So I filled this one with water. You can see a lot of water. And I will put this here. I will connect this, as you can see, It will go all the way inside. I think it's all is done. Find some water coming out here and there. It's fine. Now we'll put the plug on our power source. After putting plug, you can see here some light will wait some minutes, because sometimes if you press immediately it will drop some water. So waiting some moment till the light is blinking, 30 seconds to 40 seconds waiting is better. Now the light is steady, that means it's ready. So I press this one. You see the vapor is coming out. I see strong vapor in this case. Lovely. Strong but very fast though. Now we'll iron something, we'll steam something. Let's see. So we have one shot here with little bit some marks and here and there. We'll iron to see how we'll feel, and I will tell you and I will show you the same time. Let's see. Take this here and so far I feel very good. I feel a strong steam in this case. And take this as well. Is iron good? I would say that, but some places I see water. Okay guys, so streaming is good. If you ask me, not bad. Not bad, it served the purpose. If you ask me overall this is the best or not, in that case I would say it's not the best, but it's good, not the best. The best one is Philips. Vapor is good. You see here how it is. The best one, if you ask me, best one is the Philips one. If you want to spend a little bit more money, better always buy Philips. Then Xiaomi, the second one I will put. This one is not bad. Okay, in this price range, this is same as Xiaomi. Okay guys, so this is the unboxing and testing of Atma handheld steamer for you guys. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.